How to send a voice message on Discord. If you want to send a voice message on Discord, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open Discord. Open the Discord app on your phone. Sign into your account if you haven't already. Open the direct message conversation with the person you want to send a voice message to. Step 2. Allow microphone access. At the bottom of the chat, tap the microphone icon next to the message box. If Discord asks for microphone permission, tap Allow to continue. Step 3. Record your voice message. Press and hold the microphone icon. Keep holding it while you speak. When you've finished recording, simply lift your finger. Your voice message will be sent automatically. Step 4. Send another voice message. If you want to record another message, press and hold the microphone icon again and repeat the same process. That's it. You've successfully learned how to send a voice message on Discord. Also, if you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe for more Discord tips, app tutorials, and troubleshooting guides.